They say if you make enough batches of soap, you'll eventually get a bad one. And I recently had a bad one. It was real soft and crumbly. So I crumbled it all up into a baking dish, added a 1/4 cup of water, covered it, baked it at 200 for about 30 minutes, stirred it, and then baked it for another 30 minutes and re-poured it. And it's chunky. It was chunky, but it ended up more like this is what soap should look and feel like. And this one was just kind of like rubbery for a while, but it's been curing for a few weeks now. We'll see. Let's see what we have here. We have soap. So rebatching works just as good as this one.